I can't do it! This hose is way too heavy for me to hold alone!
Watch out, everyone! I am losing control of the spraying water stream right now!
Hold on, kids! Stay right where you are while I turn off the main valve.
Oh no! Look at the water spraying everywhere! Is everyone gonna be okay?
Turning off the water valve now. Everything is safe and completely under control, everyone.
There we go. The water pressure is off, so nobody will get wet or hurt.
I am so embarrassed. I totally failed in front of all these other visiting kids.
That hose looks really heavy for a young boy. It takes a lot of strength.
It is completely okay, Mike. Everybody makes mistakes when trying something new for the first time.
Your dad is right, sweetie. You were super brave just taking hold of that heavy hose.
Look, Mikey. The target is still standing over there waiting for you to hit it.
I thought I was strong enough, but I guess I am just not brave at all.
Hey there, buddy. Do you mind if I tell you a quick secret about firefighters?
Even real professional firefighters feel scared sometimes when they face huge, scary challenges in life.
Really? You mean even tall firefighters in big, heavy uniforms get scared like me sometimes?
Absolutely. Courage does not mean never being afraid. Courage means trying again when you feel scared.
That is a great lesson, Captain Alex. Mike, why don't we listen carefully to his advice?
Before we try spraying water again, let us take a cool tour inside our fire garage.
A tour inside the real fire garage? Wow, I would really love to see everything. Yay! We get to see the big red shiny truck up close. Let us go inside.
Welcome to our main fire garage. This is where we keep all our awesome vehicles ready.
Look at the size of that massive fire truck. It looks so incredibly strong and powerful. Wow, these tires are much taller than me. Look how shiny the red paint is, Mommy.
Inside these special doors, we store all kinds of life-saving gear for emergency rescue missions.
Everything on this truck is kept so clean and organized. How many people fit inside here?
Up to 6 brave firefighters sit here, ready to gear up quickly when an alarm rings. Look at all these communication radios and navigation screens. It takes serious teamwork to operate this.
When we turn on these loud sirens, other cars move aside so we can hurry quickly.
Look! More yellow fire hoses. They are rolled up like giant flat pancakes in there.
This is the heavy nozzle. See how thick and sturdy this brass metal is built, Mike?
Whoa! This metal part is really heavy. No wonder it was hard to hold out there.
Follow me right into the equipment room next. This is where we keep our protective suits. Look at these thick jackets. They must keep firefighters very safe from hot flames and smoke.
Feel this tough fabric, Mike. It is designed to block intense heat and keep us cool inside.
These bright silver stripes shine so brightly. Do these help you see each other in dark smoke?
Exactly. And these special boots have steel toes to protect our feet from falling debris during fires.
Tee! This boot weighs almost as much as my backpack. I cannot even lift it up.
Here is one of our safety helmets. It guards our heads against heavy falling objects and sparks. Let us see how this fits on you, Mike. Look at that, you look like a real captain.
Wow. Look at me in the mirror. I really look like a real firefighter in this helmet.
Smile for the picture, kids. You two look so cool, ready to save the day together.
Next, let me show you one of the most important tools we use, our breathing apparatus. This mask gives us fresh, clean air to breathe when a building is filled with thick, dark smoke.
So when you wear this mask, you do not inhale any dangerous smoke at all? That is smart.
You are asking such great questions, Mike. You are learning so much about safety gear today.
These heavy gloves protect our hands from sharp glass, hot metal, and rough wooden edges during rescues. Look how gigantic my hand looks in this glove. It feels super thick and very safe.
Over here, we keep specialized rescue tools. We call this powerful tool the jaws of life.
It uses strong hydraulic pressure to pry open crumpled metal doors and rescue trapped people quickly. Incredible! That tool must be super powerful. Firefighters have tools for almost every single problem. This special thermal camera lets us see heat through pitch black darkness and thick wall obstacles. Whoa! I can see bright red and yellow shapes on the screen. That is our body heat.
Look, Mommy. I am glowing bright yellow on the magic screen. That is super cool.
We also use these sturdy radios so we can talk clearly with our teammates inside buildings.
Teamwork is key. No firefighter ever works alone. We always watch out for each other safely.
So when you hold the heavy hose outside, you always have a teammate helping you too?
You got it. Two people holding the hose together make controlling high water pressure much easier.
That means I can stand right behind you and hold the hose with you this time, Mike.
Really, Dad? You will hold the heavy fire hose right behind me so we work together?
That is a wonderful idea. You two will make the ultimate father-son firefighter team out there.
All right, team. Let us head back out to the training field and try hitting that target.
I feel much better now that I know how everything works and that I have help. First, let us learn the proper stance. Stand with your feet wide and lean forward slightly. Like this, Captain Alex? Feet wide apart and leaning forward into the weight of the hose?
Perfect posture, Mike. That sturdy stance gives you solid leverage against the strong water push.
I am right here behind you, son. Together, we are twice as strong as the water pressure. When I turn on the water valve slowly, keep your eyes focused right on the target board.
Go, Mikey! Go, Daddy! Knock down the target board with the big water spray.
Opening the water valve now at half pressure. Hold steady, team. Here comes the water stream.
I feel the water filling up the hose. It feels firm, but I am staying steady. Great job holding on, Mike. Aim the nozzle tip slightly higher toward the center circle.
Look at that water stream go. We are aiming it straight toward the bright red target.
Direct hit. You are aiming with incredible precision, Mike. Keep holding that steady stance.
Yay! You knocked it down! The target fell right over into the wet splash zone.
We did it! We knocked down the target together! That was so incredibly awesome and exciting.
Great teamwork, buddy. You handled that hose like a true professional firefighter out there.
Fantastic work, Mike. You showed true courage by trying again and working as a team.
I am so proud of you, son. You faced your fear and did an incredible job today.
You were so brave, Mike. Seeing you try again makes me the happiest mom in the world.
Mikey is my hero. When I grow up, I want to spray the big fire hose too.
Because of your brave effort and great team spirit, I present you this Junior Firefighter badge. Wow, an official Junior Firefighter badge.
Thank you so much, Captain Alex. I will wear it proudly. Thank you, everyone, for keeping our community safe every single day. You are all real heroes.
You are very welcome, Junior Firefighter Mike. Keep up the great attitude and stay safe always. Say goodbye to Captain Alex, kids. It is time to go grab a delicious lunch together. Who is hungry for a nice lunch? There is a fantastic food court at the mall ahead.
Look at all the tasty food places. I can smell yummy sandwiches and fresh fruit juice.
Let us find a nice, comfortable table near the bright window before we order our food.
Here is our table. I will go grab our lunch trays while you kids get settled in. Lunch is served. Fresh burgers for Mike and me, chicken wrap for Mom, and nuggets for Lily. This burger tastes extra delicious after all that hard work training on the fire ground.
So, Mike, what was the most important thing you learned from Captain Alex at the fire station?
I learned that feeling scared is normal, but asking for help and trying again makes us brave.
That is the best lesson ever, Mike. Courage is about staying calm and trying with help.
Wee-woo! Wee-woo! We are going to practice our home fire escape plan right after lunch, right? Yes. We will test our smoke alarms at home and practice our safe escape routes together.
I am so proud of our wonderful family. Today turned out to be such an inspiring adventure.
Ready to head home, team? Let us carry this brave spirit with us every single day.
Whenever I feel scared of a new challenge, I will remember to take a breath and try again.
Real courage is about learning, staying calm, and trying again with the help of those who love you.